Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Okay, today I want to talk about adding seeds to your preps. One of our biggest preps, as I've said in a previous video, one of the biggest preps you will ever have is having a garden. A vegetable garden. A vegetable garden can seriously feed your family all year long. So, the one thing that I do invest a good amount of time in is my garden. Now, what seeds are you going to spend money on? Well, what vegetables do you eat? Think about that, okay? You don't want to be, planting tomatoes if you don't like tomatoes. You don't want to be planting cucumber seeds if you don't like cucumbers, okay? There's just different things, what zone do you live in? Some vegetables thrive in some zones where some vegetables don't thrive in other zones. So it really all depends on where you live, okay? Now, like right here in this container, and I'll show you what I'm doing, I am germinating some tomato seeds because I am going to be planting these later on. I'm using the paper towel method. And if I bring you in just a little close, I don't want to lift the paper towel, but can you see those seeds? They look like they have little tails growing on them, okay? They're germinating. And those seeds are going to be going into some soil, into some containers, because I am going to be giving a plant to my neighbor, to some family members, and to some people in my community, and keeping some for myself as well. So another thing that I'm doing is, you see this right here? So I do have some spillage here, okay? I have a lot of spillage here. But also but that's okay because they're completely dry. In these paper towels here, I have pepper seeds that I've harvested from my own peppers that I've gotten out of my own garden. Now, if I were to seriously plant all of these seeds right here, germinate them and plant them, I would have about 600 pepper plants. I know, that's a lot. So what I do is I'm trying to find a way. I'm not really good at it yet, but I'm trying to figure out a way. If anybody knows how to, let me know how to save my seeds for next year, okay? But I am going to be germinating some of these. I've already germinated some and planted them outside already. I'm going to be germinating just a few more so I can give some pepper plants to my neighbors and things like that. So there's about 600 pepper plants right here alone. Now, over here, we have a lot of sugar snap peas. We have more tomatoes, okay? Here's snow peas, mustard greens, they're very high in vitamin K, lemon balm. These are a lot of medicinal plants, okay? This is echinacea, some sage, onions, hot peppers, more onions, spinach, radishes. So, this is one of our big preps, okay? Seeds are very, very, very important to start prepping with. It's just as important as water and food because this is food, okay? Some of the online places that I have found, one is Johnny Selected Seeds. No, I am not sponsored. It's just one of the websites that I really like to go to. Another one is called rareseeds.com. I do have more seeds coming in because, like I said in a previous video, we are thinking outside the box. We found another website called treeseeds.com. We are going to be planting some not echinacea, listen to me, elderberry. We also ordered kiwi, apple, black cherry, mango, pineapple, because, you know, we live in tropical climate. But we're going to be doing trees now too, but I'm not keeping all of them, okay? Because my sister, hang on, I gotta let my dog in, hang on. Okay, because my sister, she's an arborist, she's going to be helping me with this. She also owns her own tree company. So she's going to be helping me to make sure, you know, trees get planted. We're going to be donating some of the trees to people who have, you know, lost trees during hurricanes and things like that. So a lot of work is going to be getting done. You know, I am that person that likes to give back to my community. So not only would I love to be able to do a giveaway on my channel with some seeds, you know, especially with some tree seeds and stuff like that, because I would like for you to be able to give back to your communities. Yeah, I'm going to be working alongside with my sister to, you know, plant some fruit trees, because I think it's very important. There is a community project that I would like to get going here. I saw this thing that there is an organization in Orlando, I believe. They are planting fruit trees because they said that if people start planting fruit trees, like especially like along sidewalks and, you know, in, you know, where the public can get to them and stuff like that, they're trying to, like, not end world hunger, you know, but, you know, there will be less hungry people in our country if, you know, people have access to food. So why not start with planting fruit trees? So my sister and I are going to try and start a project like that here in our community in the Tampa Bay area. So I started with, you know, getting some tree seeds for fruit trees. So let me know in the comments section below if you would like to receive some fruit seeds from tree seeds. Whew. Sometimes I'm brilliant, and other times I sound like a jumbled mess. Okay, that is all for this video. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.